Well, we are very pleased with the ruling of Justice Thomas. It's obvious that he listened very carefully to all of the evidence, and all of the evidence was presented in this case, and came to the determination that he did in relation to Mr. Ahmadi's intent for murder in this case. It was an absolutely vicious beating, and although he had consumed drugs, it was quite obvious he knew what he was doing.
Was that ever a concern that that defense would hold up, and that the judge might downgrade that second-degree murder to something like manslaughter or some other verdict?
It's I don't know if it's as much of a concern. It's just an available path to something less than murder, either manslaughter. I don't think that a not guilty decision was ever in the cards for a case like this. I mean, we present the evidence to a trier of fact and a trier of law. In this case, it was Justice Thomas. He heard it all, and any concern that we had about a manslaughter was just not realized on the evidence.
Well, I'm pleased with the sentence, obviously. I just hope this brings some measure of comfort to the family of Mrs. Widholm and friends of Mrs. Widholm. And the community should be reassured that the Windsor Police Service, when a crime like this occurs, will diligently and professionally investigate until there's an opening.
As I indicated earlier, I have a great deal of respect for His Honor Justice Thomas, but I respectfully disagree with his decision.
He hasn't been sentenced yet, but
No, he hasn't.
Has the defense, are you looking at the possibility of an appeal?
These are things that I will be discussing at length with my client as to what our options are, and we will be moving forward as he directs me to. I don't want to go into too much detail, however, I do disagree with his perspective on my client's state of mind at the time of this horrific event. Yes.
What was his demeanor? What was his...
Certainly he's in shock, and so we will, again, as I said, I can't go into detail about what was discussed, but that was his demeanor.